Hey, it's Leo Johnson from MarineMax. Today you join me in front of a freshly traded 2023 Yamaha 222 Fish Sport. This boat is in the black with the aluminum I-beam tandem axle trailer you see here. It's got lots of great upgrades aboard. This is a very low hour boat, a well-kept example with just about 22 engine hours on both engines. Got some significant upgrades, including some thrust vectors down below on the jet drives. It's got a glue-down SeaDek style flooring all throughout as well. It's a great upgrade. Stepping inside this boat, you'll see it's also got a Garmin chart plotter up at the helm. You can see from the pictures and from this video, this boat's in very good shape. Like I said, just 22 engine hours. We've also got it with a Minn Kota trolling motor that you'll see up at the bow with a nice remote controller stored back here. Full SeaDek flooring throughout this boat. It's a great setup, it's very comfortable. Got storage both port and starboard here. Dedicated trash can. As well as some great storage here under your front seat. This boat has the changing room installed right now and also comes with the factory mooring cover that you see tucked away under the console. Up at the bow, all of these cushions are removable. So you can turn this into a nice casting deck here with some great underfloor storage here in the center with dedicated space for a 5-gallon bucket. Up at the front, you've got an anchor locker here, dedicated storage. 2 speakers up here as well as cup holders for your passengers. Got a combination cup holder rod holders up forward and throughout the rest of the boat. This boat's going to have the Minn Kota Tarova saltwater series trolling motor on it. Professionally installed, works great and looks great. This boat is in stock and available now here at MarineMax Lake Norman with plenty of options and great features. Give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com or stop by today for more. Thanks for watching.